Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and this toiletry bag from PACKISM was an absolute essential and so helpful for us on a recent trip. I absolutely love this toiletry bag because it fits all the TSA requirements for a carry-on approved toiletry bag. Typically before this, I would just use a regular old plastic baggie that would almost fall apart by the time I got to my destination. But using this bag has been so much more helpful, and really I feel like I can pack so many more toiletry items in it. I love that it is clear, so when I'm going through security, they can easily see what type of toiletry items I have in here because nothing is blocking the view. I also really love the reinforced edges. It makes it really durable and really secure too. This is a quart-sized bag, but I really felt like it packed a lot of items in here. I really love that it stretches out to a little bit over 2 inches, so it has a really nice wide base. I appreciate that the zipper top is really nice and secure too. I didn't have any fear that my items were gonna leak out all in my carry-on. So for your next trip, I would definitely check out these awesome toiletry bags, but that's just my point of view.